A new study is opening parents' eyes when it comes to teens and sexting. The study suggests it can have detrimental effects on them. Researchers in Canada found teens who sexted were more likely to be sexually active and less likely to use contraception. They also had higher rates of anxiety and depression, delinquent behavior, and substance abuse. Perfume, nail polish, and shampoo can help people look and feel their best, but in the wrong hands, they can be deadly. Every year, more than 4,000 kids are sent to the hospital due to injuries from cosmetics. A new study says 75% of injuries are from kids swallowing products like hair relaxers, nail polish, makeup, and deodorant. The rest were from the product touching their skin or eyes. So what do parents need to look out for? Well, the study shows nearly 30% of kids who got hurt by cosmetics were playing with nail products. But the beauty items most likely to send kids to the hospital were hair relaxers and perm products. Kids 2 and under are the ones you need to keep a close eye on because they're more likely to get into your stuff. New research suggests obesity can worsen the symptoms of multiple sclerosis. The study looked at 140 patients with the relapse-remitting form of MS. It showed those who were obese had more pain, stiffness, and balance problems. Scientists say excess weight increases inflammation, which causes symptoms to worsen. The measles outbreak in the U.S. has jumped up another 22 cases this week. The CDC's latest data shows there are now 1,044 cases in 28 states, including Michigan. Most of the cases are in New York, where the majority of the patients were not vaccinated. This continues to be the worst outbreak in the country since 1992. Michigan has not seen any new cases since May 17th. The Michigan Department of Health and Human Services has confirmed 44 cases statewide. Speaking of the measles, the front lines for fighting the outbreak are shifting now that school's out for the summer. Fox News correspondent Jackie Ibanez takes a closer look at what summer camps are doing to contain the spread.
With measles cases at its highest in 27 years, the fight against the disease is moving from the classroom to campgrounds. Summer camps in one of the most impacted areas now requiring measles vaccinations to prevent the spread of the disease. Both day and overnight camps in several counties north of New York City making measles vaccinations or proof of immunization mandatory for every camper and staff member before the summer fun can begin. Camps in this part of the state tend to fill up with kids from Orthodox Jewish communities, where the bulk of this year's cases are concentrated. And up until now, religious exemptions allowed unvaccinated children to attend.
It's a parent's rights to choose or refuse vaccines for their own children based on faith.
The new rule coming around the same time New York Governor Andrew Cuomo signed legislation eliminating the religious exemption, which previously allowed children to go to school without inoculation if their parents objected to the vaccinations on religious grounds.
I understand freedom of religion. We all do. We respect it. I've heard the anti-vaxxers theory, but I believe both are overwhelmed by the public health risk.
In 2019, more than 1,000 cases of the measles have been confirmed in 28 states. In New York, Jackie Ibanez, Fox News.